Some viewers may find the following scenes disturbing. There are also instances of mild swearing and blasphemy, such as the words shit, bloody, and oh god. But due to the fact that my videos aren't monetized, and probably never will be, I don't think that's going to matter too much. Do you? So, let's get down to business. It is my intention in the future to write some comedy sketches for my YouTube channel and to take on a few characterizations. And in order to do this, I purchased last year a modest amount of theatrical makeup. And I thought, seeing as I'm a big fan of RuPaul's Drag Race, I would start off by doing a drag look. Give it a try, I said to myself. As Yoda said, there is no try, just do, do, do. What could possibly go wrong? Okay, and I believe the first thing we need to do is a base for the face, and we need to apparently use primer. Don't know how much of this you're supposed to use. I suppose it just rub it in, I suppose. Now, by the way, I'm not going to be blocking my eyebrows. I'm using my natural brows. Yeah, why not? And I'm using a Max Factor foundation that I've already got, and it's a porcelain. So I don't really know how much to put on. Okay. I think this foundation's gone off. Not sure whether that's enough, but I have to use this other mirror here because I'm blind as a bat. No idea whether that's enough or not, but hey ho. Right, what's next? Apparently the next thing you do is you use concealer. So, I'm dropping everything again. I hate it when you drop something and it disappears out of view completely and you can't see where it is. It's almost like it's slipped into another dimension. Concealer. L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. Eyes first. I have obviously had a quick look at tutorials, you know, I'm not completely going into this completely blind, but attractive. Well, it certainly looks weird now. I look at some kind of weird, I look a bit like Data from Star Trek. Yes, Captain. I could do a tutorial on how to look like Data from Star Trek. There we go. Now I have to do some contours. Highlights and contours, and then I think I have to set the whole thing with powder. So I've got some highlight and contour colours, the contour kit, which are creamy things. Okay, creamy things. So I'm going to use, what am I going to use? Maybe I'll just use the same brush. It's all the same at the end of the day. It's all creamy colours. Creamy colours. So I've got to use a dark one to, apparently I go down the nose, 2 straight lines down the nose, so not very straight. Oh, well, maybe I'll end up with a wonky nose. Well, I've already got a wonky nose, so I don't really want a wonky nose. I don't know. apparently I need to do the same down. Okay. And if I want to do any sort of jawline things, so I'm going to go just underneath, I think. Seeing as I don't, I don't really have a jawline, so we'll draw one in. There we go. Ooh. Okay, beginning to look like, I don't know what, something. I have to use the pale one now for the highlights. Woo! And here. Stripy now. And now we have to blend. I look like something out of Cats now. No. Okay, well, let's see what happens. I feel as though I'm looking tired and old now. Contouring, more like aging makeup. Okay, what next? Eyes? It might be eyes next. My colour scheme today, purple and gold. The first thing I have to do is the eyeliner. I've got a liquid eyeliner. Not sure about this. Oh no, no. Got to set it with powder. Yeah, shit. Got a setting powder here. Have to leave that on for a little while for it to bake. I now look about 150. This is quite depressing now because it just looks awful. Looks like I've had a battle with a flour canister. I'm still baking. Apparently I should leave it for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to be dusting it all off. Oh God, I look awful. I look horrendous. You don't want to see me close up. Oh God, no, it's all crepey and horrible. So I've got to dust it all off now. I do like this big brush. I don't look at it close up because it's just, it feels like it's all caked on and horrible, frankly. Okay, well, so I think the next thing I have to do is the eye, the dreaded liquid eyeliner. I think this is a cheap liquid eyeliner. I don't think it's very good. It's one of those sort of like felt tip pen type things. Oh, I'm frightened. Don't want to do it. I don't know what I'm doing. I've got no idea. I think you've got to pull the skin taut slightly. Apparently there are triangles involved in the corners if you want a sort of cat's eye type thing. Oh God. Oh my God, it looks like I've been hit in the face. Oh dear. Oh, I don't know. God. Pain in the ass. It's going everywhere. Oh God. Oh. Horrendous. I'm eating makeup now. Now that's really not very good because that's bigger than the eyeliner would be. Oh, maybe I'm just going to go for smoky eyes. Okay. Well, maybe that's an idea. Maybe I'll not do eyeliner. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. Okay, well that's looking better. Oh, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to go for... I don't think I'm going to do eyeliner. Maybe I'll go underneath as well. Do I need to put white on there as well? It's all over my hands now. I wanted that like cat's eye thing going on. Should I try that? I'm going to try that anyway, just to see what happens. Probably disaster, but oh, sod it. It's black all over my hands now. Oh, I'm frightened. No, that's not really what I wanted. That just looks wrong. That one's a little bit better. That one's wrong. Oh God. You see, look. I look like Chrissy Hind now. Nothing wrong with Chrissy Hind. I like her. Cleopatra. You know what? I just can't do eyeliner. I can't do eyeliner. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to I'm going to cover it up with something else. Going white underneath is quite good. So what am I going to do? I just don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to go black underneath. I'm going for the Cleopatra look. There we go. What could possibly go wrong? Okay, well that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's better. I look like Black Swan. No, I'm supposed to do some white apparently, somewhere. But I want to do purple. I think I need to use a different brush. I use this one. I use this brush. Purple. It's nice. It's metallic. There's bits coming off me all the time. Powder and flaky things flaking off me all over. Purple. Yeah. Looks like I'm bruised. You've got to blend, blend, blend all the time. Blend. Oh, my finger's got black on it. It's made it black now. I'm blending, it's making no difference. It just looks messy now. The one at the bottom looks messy. It was meant to be smoky, but it just looks like messy now. Maybe if I just paint white on top, and then it does work with the green. I read somewhere that you could use a wipe to get a line, but if I do that, it's going to wipe all the makeup off, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing now. No, don't do that, don't do that. Make it better. Let me try this one. Oh, that's quite nice. Quite like that one. I don't know what I'm doing. I think that's quite nice colour. Clouds of powder. Okay, so I need to sort of go into the corners a bit more, I think. I really look like I've been hit in the face now. It's a look, isn't it? It's smudgy. Smudgy. I really need to define the corners of the eyes. That's a bloody liquid liner. There's no way I'm going to get a line with that. My skin is too crepey for clean lines, so I'll try it. You see, it just smudges. That just looks wrong. And that's now all smudged. It just looks terrible. Terrible. I don't know. Just a blob in the corner now. It's just a blob. Oh well, I'm just going to paint some of this white on top. Oh. No, it's just all going wrong. I can't do this. I'm not a makeup artist. I look like somebody who has had a problem. I just don't know anymore. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to smear it all now. I'm going to smear it all together. I'm just smearing it. So, I'm not really sure now. Maybe I just go over it with lots of different colours of eyeshadow. You know, that just makes me look ill. Ooh, I've made it bigger. Put more purple on. More smudgy. More purple. Come further in and further in until it comes right across my nose. I give up. I give up. But I didn't give up. No, that's not me. That's not who I am. I continue to try and do. I just did it. So I carried on smudging and smearing, blending, until I looked in the mirror and staring back at me was the love child of Maleficent and Tim Curry's Frankenfurter from the Rocky Horror Picture Show. So, there we have it. And one needs to understand that makeup artists and drag artists are called artists for a reason. They can actually draw in a straight line, or a circle, or a triangle. I can't do any of those things very well, but hey, practice makes perfect. But I have absolutely no plans whatsoever of becoming a drag artist. No. You're all safe. Okay, I'm sure you're all pleased to know that. So, no need to be afraid anymore, children. All back to normal now. Or am I? See you Friday, 6 o'clock. Be there.